Stop waiting for May. If you are planting your garden in late spring like most people do, you are missing the most nutrient-dense growing window of the entire year. In this video, I am going to show you 5 crops you can plant right now in March and harvest in as little as 10 days, with up to 300% more vitamins than anything sitting on a grocery store shelf. Here is exactly what we are covering today. Which 5 crops give you the highest nutrient return in 30 to 50 days? Why that bag of organic spinach at the store may have already lost 90% of its vitamin C before you even open it. A simple 24-hour trick that took my frost survival rate from 40% all the way up to 90%. The exact setup to protect these crops from unpredictable March weather in zones 5 through 9. And a cost comparison that is going to change the way you think about buying produce forever. No fluff, no waiting. Let us get into it. When you pick up a bag of spinach at the grocery store, the one that says fresh and organic right on the label, how old do you think those leaves actually are? Here is the truth. The average piece of produce travels over 1,500 miles before it reaches your store. By the time it lands on that shelf, it is already 3 to 7 days old. Penn State University researchers found that spinach loses nearly half its folate in just 6 days at shipping temperatures. UC Davis research showed some vegetables lose up to 77% of their vitamin C within 7 days, even when kept refrigerated. That bag you just paid $5 for may be delivering a fraction of the nutrition printed on the label. This is what I call the nutrient gap, and it is the entire reason this video exists. Because when you grow these 5 crops at home and walk them straight from your garden to your kitchen, that gap disappears completely. If you caught my $10 time machine hoop house video, you already have the cold protection set up for everything we are about to cover. Link is in the description. Before we get into the 5 crops, I want to show you the single most important thing I tested this past March. I took 2 identical batches of seeds, same variety, same bed, same zone 7 conditions, soil sitting around 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Batch A went straight into the ground, standard method, nothing special. Batch B got the cold start treatment. 24 hours soaking in 86-degree water before planting. That is thermopriming. And it is backed by a 2023 Wiley Journal study showing measurably faster germination and stronger seedling survival in cold soils. Here is what happened. Batch A took 14 days to germinate. When a late March frost came through, 40% survived. Batch B germinated in 5 days, 9 days faster. Same frost, 90% survived. Same garden, same weather, same seeds. Just a mason jar of warm water and 24 hours of patience. I am going to show you how to use this on every crop we cover today, because in March, those 9 days are not just time. They are the difference between a harvest and a failure. Crop 1, Radish, Cherry Belle. Let us start with the fastest root crop you can grow in March. Cherry Belle radish. Seed to harvest in 21 to 25 days. In Zone 7, you can direct sow right now and pull your first harvest before most gardeners have even ordered their tomato seeds. Here is what surprises most people. The root is actually the least nutritious part. The leaves on top contain dramatically higher levels of vitamin C, calcium, and folate. Most people throw them away. Do not throw them away. Thermopriming radish seeds in 86-degree water for 18 to 24 hours has been shown in peer-reviewed research to achieve over 81% germination in cold soil. Unprimed seeds come in significantly lower. Zone 5 and 6, direct sow mid-March with row cover. Zone 7, sow now. Zone 8 and 9, plant this week. Your window is closing. 21 days from now, you will be pulling food out of the ground while your neighbor is still waiting for the last frost date. Crop 2, spinach. Next, the crop everyone knows, but almost nobody grows at the right time. Fresh spinach straight from your garden delivers 403% of your daily vitamin K, 28 milligrams of vitamin C, and 2.7 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. But those numbers only exist at the moment of harvest. Every hour after that, the clock is running. When you grow spinach at home and cut it fresh that morning, you are eating peak nutrition, something no grocery store can offer. Spinach loves March. Ideal germination temperature is 45 to 60 degrees, exactly where Zone 7 soil sits right now. Baby leaves ready in 25 to 30 days. Full harvest at 40 to 45 days. Thermopriming spinach adds 29% more fresh weight yield compared to unprimed seeds. Same soil, same seeds, 29% more food. Zone 5 and 6 sow last week of March with row cover. Zone 8 and 9 plant immediately. Crop 3 Arugula. Now the crop most gardeners completely overlook. Arugula contains quercetin at 14.3 milligrams per gram of fresh weight, among the highest antioxidant levels of any leafy green you can grow at home. Cleveland Clinic confirms it delivers 25% of your daily vitamin C, 90% of your daily vitamin K, and 160 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. But here is what makes arugula truly different. Its glucosinolates, the compounds behind that peppery bite, break down inside your body into cancer-inhibiting molecules. Spinach does not do that. Lettuce does not do that. Arugula does. A baby leaves ready in 21 days, frost-tolerant down to 28 degrees after establishment. One planting gives you multiple cuts all spring. Homegrown arugula costs 2 to 4 cents per ounce. The Whole Foods version, 70 cents per ounce. 94% savings every harvest. And before we move on, I mentioned a backyard weed that outperforms even arugula on nutrition. 30-day experiment, results that genuinely surprised me. Dedicated video coming soon. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Crop 4, pea shoots. I saved this one for a reason. Pea shoots, not the pods, not the full vine, just the young shoots that push up in the first 10 to 14 days. And they are the most vitamin C dense crop on this entire list. 100 grams delivers 79 milligrams of vitamin C, 280 micrograms of vitamin K, 4 grams of protein, and 24% of your daily vitamin E. Now the number that stops people cold. A 3-ounce clamshell of organic pea shoots at the store, $5.50. Your homegrown version from $2 of dried peas produces 6 to 8 ounces of shoots, 10 to 15 times your money back, in under 2 weeks. Direct sow Zone 7 from March 1st, Zone 5 and 6 mid-March with row cover, Zone 8 and 9 sow now, first harvest in 10 days. Thermopriming pea seeds cuts germination from 10 days down to 5. Cut shoots at 4 to 6 inches, the plant resprouts and gives you 2 more harvests from the same seeds. 10 days, $2. More vitamin C than almost anything at the store. Crop 5 leaf lettuce, last crop, and the most underestimated one on this list. We are not waiting 45 days for a full head. We are harvesting microgreens at 10 to 14 days. A 2024 study found that lettuce microgreens contain 52 to 60 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, more than double the vitamin C of a mature lettuce head. Younger leaf, more nutrition, faster harvest. Choose Red Sails, Black-Seeded Simpson, or Butter Crunch for cold weather performance. Direct sow Zone 7 from March 9th onward. Zone 5 and 6, third week of March with row cover. Zone 8 and 9, a sow now. Thermopriming adds 17% more fresh weight yield. And the cut and come again harvest means one planting feeds you for 6 to 8 weeks straight, all the way through late spring. 5 crops, 1 bed. More nutrition per square foot than an entire grocery store aisle. Now the one thing that stops most gardeners from planting in March, the weather. 3 tools. That is all you need. First, a $10 soil thermometer. Stop watching air temperature. Soil temp tells you the truth. Zone 7 soil in March is already in the perfect germination window for every crop on this list. Second, row cover fleece. 1 layer adds 4 to 6 degrees of frost protection overnight. enough to protect all 5 crops through a standard late March frost. Third, thermoprimed seeds. Remember those 90% survival numbers. That was not just speed. Primed seeds germinate 9 days earlier, giving them 9 extra days of root development before any frost arrives. Deeper roots survive cold snaps that wipe out late germinators completely. Soil thermometer, row cover, thermoprimed seeds, done. Google, so let us bring this full circle. 5 crops, 1 March bed, radish in 21 days. Spinach at 400% of your daily vitamin K, arugula fighting for you at the cellular level. Pea shoots delivering peak vitamin C in 10 days for $2. Leaf lettuce cutting fresh for 8 weeks straight. All of it more nutritious than anything under those grocery store lights. All of it in your control. All of it on your plate within hours of harvest. That backyard weed experiment coming very soon. Hit subscribe so you do not miss it. And if you are watching this right now in March, my next video is something you do not want to skip. It is called March Seed Secret: Why Your Indoors Fail and How to Fix It Fast. If you have ever started seeds indoors in March and watched them die, get leggy, or just never sprout at all, that video is going to show you exactly what went wrong. And more importantly, how to fix it before you lose the entire season. Keep your hands in the dirt and your food off the truck.